Guys, stand back. There's a rattlesnake right there. Just rattled at us. Oh, it's hiding right there. Oh my gosh. Look at that rattlesnake right there, guys. Stand back.
It's twin time! Hi guys, today we're gonna go on a hike. We just saw our first rattlesnake that was like this long. I know, it's huge. It's like 3 or 4 feet. Let's go look for frogs. Now we got a frog bucket in case we see some frogs. This is so funny.
You guys want to race to the top? Ready, set, go! Oh, looks like a tie. Good job, guys. High five. This trail is really narrow and we just saw a rattlesnake. So we're gonna go back to the main trail. You guys wanna go down there and look for frogs? Okay, I'll go first. Really steep. Here, I'll help you guys down. Here, watch out, there's a metal thing in the ground there. Okay, Zach's down. Thanks. And we're all down. This is the perfect place to catch frogs. Gotta watch out for some more snakes, huh? They love to hide under the rocks. You guys see anything yet? Ooh, look under there.
Maybe some small coyotes.
Yeah, bet there's some animal that lives under there.
Let's go back to the main trail. Let's follow the coyote print. Whoa, look at that wind.
Pretty windy.
Look how steep this hill is.
You guys want to go up the steep mountain, or do you guys want to go in this big canyon over here?
Big canyon.
Want to go in the canyon, Chris?
I'm gonna go up the steep hill.
Maybe we can do both. Let's do the canyon first, okay? I heard there's a riverbed in the canyon. Maybe we'll find some frogs there.
Yeah.
And there's an old abandoned mine.
Whoa.
Definitely got to be careful out here, huh, guys?
Oh my gosh, there's mountain lions and rattlesnakes.
Yeah, we already saw one rattlesnake
I
today.
know. Look, climb it up. Oh. Papa had dog. He made it.
How's the view up there, guys? A lot to see out here. There's my oldest baby.
Zach, I hear frogs in the river bed. Yeah. I think we're getting closer. I can hear the frogs.
Okay, let's go. Not much water in this river, is there?
Nope.
Maybe those were crickets we heard, not frogs.
Maybe.
Let's keep looking.
The sign said there's mountain lions in here.
Hope we don't see a mountain lion. That would be scary.
Look how big that is. Yeah. Do you think it's a print? It would have to be really big. That
I don't know.
probably have to be Bigfoot if it's a print.
Here, put your shoe by it.
Probably an animal had to.
I don't know, maybe a mountain lion or coyote.
Yeah.
There's another one right over here. Something was definitely digging.
It looks like
That's like the size of my shoe.
It kind of looks like a paw print because that. It kind of looks like Mickey. That.
Do you guys know who Bigfoot is?
Well, yeah.
Do you think Bigfoot was out here?
No. Who is Bigfoot?
Oh, I'm gonna have to tell you guys some stories. Looks like it to me.
Whoa, I wonder what that
A
blue...
whole bunch of it.
Whoa. I wonder what that blue stuff is.
I don't know.
Oh, look, there's more over here.
Yeah, let's not step on that. I think those are berries, or you think that's coyote? No, it looks like berries, I think. I was gonna say it could be coyote scat. No, those are definitely berries.
Whoa.
Beginning to think this actually is coyote or mountain lion scat. Guys, there's a baby snake right here. Stay back. Whoa, look at it go.
Is it a rattlesnake?
I don't think so, but let's leave it alone. It's a pretty cool canyon. You guys like this canyon?
Yeah. Yep.
Sides are pretty steep. You guys getting tired yet? It's getting really windy out here. Look at this trail though, it goes right along the side of the river.
Where's the mine?
I think we're getting closer. You guys want to climb this cliff right here?
Not me. No. Oh my gosh, it's the mine! Whoa! Let's go up here and see if we can swim. That's really cool. And people used to go there?
Yeah,
Whoa.
they used to go mining in there.
Crazy cool. How's golden metal do you think you could find?
I don't know. Too bad we can't go in there, huh?
Think you could see any gold from here?
I don't know. Looks like it goes pretty far back though. Do you guys want to keep going up the trail? Or do you guys just want to go home now?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Is this a pretty long hike?
Yep. Can he break through there?
I don't know. Those bars looked pretty thick. Jump.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah?
Do you know any person who went in that cave?
I do not.
Some people never find gold in there, and maybe there is no gold.
Maybe you're right. Maybe there's not. It's always worth a look though, huh? Whoa, that looks really spiky. Don't touch it. Man, it looks like a sea urchin. But it's obviously not a sea urchin. Man,
What
that's
is
super
that?
spiky. I don't know. You guys want to have a snack here?
Yeah.
You guys have been doing a lot of hiking, huh?
Yep. I can't believe that was a real mine.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh?
That's awesome. I can go there every day to look at it.
Oh, I'd love to go there
I
every
tried
day.
getting something like a huge chainsaw to break in there and look for good gold.
Yeah.
Then you can start a new mine.
Gonna need a lot of tools to do that. Is that good?
I bet no one's been to the cave probably for a year. These rocks look like metal. Maybe that's why it's mine.
Yeah, this does look like metal.
For a second, I thought this was
Oh yeah, it looks like a snake, huh? Another snake? Here, don't go near it. Oh, it does look like a snake, but I think it's not. I'm not sure.
I don't think it is.
No, it's not. Looks just like a snake though.
Daddy, another big animal can do. It's probably a mountain lion. That should be a
Pretty big hole
hole.
there.
This is the way the truck went up. How much miles do you think he walked?
I don't know, at least 3.
Wow, look at the sunset. I can't wait to see the view on top.
Those nice people just told us there's another rattlesnake. It's somewhere up in the middle of the trail. So we've got to be careful. There's the main trail down there below. There's the valley. And here we are up here. Everyone wave, say hi.
Hello.
Let's go see the view. You guys ready to go up to the top?
Yeah.
Just a little bit more. Nice view, huh?
There's a car right there.
Oh, you guys see that car way down there?
Yeah. Is that the car that fell off the cliff? Look at that beetle.
It's getting kind of dark. Are you guys glad we're almost done? You guys tired? You guys want to turn and go back and hike it again?
Thanks for watching.